I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Legacy steering wheel. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the car's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for the system to fully discharge. Finally, make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin, which helps with reinstallation alignment. Now let's move on to the airbag module. You'll find 2 Torx screws usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Be very cautious here. Then, disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the module. Remember to handle the airbag with care. With the airbag safely out of the way, you'll see a large center nut. Use a 19mm socket to loosen this nut, but do not remove it completely. Leaving it partially threaded prevents the steering wheel from flying off unexpectedly when you pull it. Before you pull, mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering column for accurate reinstallation. Now, with the nut partially on, firmly pull the steering wheel towards you. A gentle wiggle might be needed to free it from the splines. Once removed, you're ready for your project. For reinstallation, simply align your marks, slide the wheel back on, and tighten the center nut to its proper torque specification. Reconnect the airbag and battery last. Remember, you can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.